So the Espresso Martini.
Of course. the hottest drink on the planet right now.
So we're gonna do, this is Demerara syrup, which is just brown sugar, simple essentially. Just gonna do 1/4 ounce and then a 1/4 ounce Cointreau to give it like a orange desserty feel. So go ahead and pour 1 shot, which is about an ounce. And then we'll do an ounce of coffee liqueur.
And what kind do you use there?
This is Mr. Black, 1.5 ounces of
Tito's. We're in Texas. It's gotta be Tito's.
1/2 ounce of oat milk. And an Espresso Martini, you can never shake it too long because you love that foam on top.
Oh, look how pretty that is.
We garnish this guy with a little bit of dark chocolate. You should. Cheers.
Cheers! Oh, also delicious. Sweet, thank you so much,
no problem.
Marion.
Of
This
course.
was so great.
Thanks,
so
Jessica.
fun.
It was so great.
Thank you.
Yeah.